Grammar Q Plus Second Edition. Grammar Q Plus Second Edition is a 3-level grammar program that helps students enhance their speaking and writing accuracy and fluency by providing important basic grammar points. Students acquire the core grammar skills while they write their own experiences using the grammar points in each lesson. The learners can have concrete grammar skills and apply their grammar knowledge in their English expressions with more confidence. It provides 7 steps of grammar acquisition in which grammar skills connected with speaking and writing. They are grammar talk, grammar point, grammar practice, grammar extension, grammar in passage, grammar in use, and grammar check. Those steps lead to a successful grammar acquisition in a natural way. Grammar point shows the obvious presentation through definitions and table. Grammar talk between the characters shows the usage of the target grammar. Grammar practice and grammar extension ensure students understand the target grammar points. Grammar in passage consolidates students' grammar skills in the context. Grammar in use has students use the acquired grammar skills in their writing. Hybrid cities offer the ebooks and the extra quizzes. Review checks students' understanding of grammar that they have learned. Midterm and final tests complete the grammar study perfectly. Let's look inside the unit. In Grammar Talk, simple and clear conversations provide communicational expressions using the grammar learned from Grammar Point. The Grammar Point section introduces new grammar concepts with the clear definitions and tables, showing grammatical forms, meanings, and usage. Various exercises give students the opportunities to practice and get a better sense of the target grammar in grammar practice. In Grammar Extension, various exercises help students expand the usage of grammar in the completion of dialogs or sentences to build students' grammar skills and confidence in English. In Grammar in Passage, a variety of topics are chosen in this section to help students understand the target grammar in the proper context. In Grammar Check, students can check their understanding of the target grammar by themselves to manage their goals at the end of each unit. Review checks students' understanding of grammar that they have learned. Midterm and final test. Through these tests, students can check their understanding of the grammar that they have learned. And teachers can evaluate how much grammar knowledge that they have taught. Grammar Q Plus Second Edition Hybrid City offers ebooks and extra quizzes. It can be used for your class or homework. Grammar Q Plus Second Edition users can download free resources from the website for effective teaching and learning. Go to www.languageworldbooks.com and find Grammar Q Plus Second Edition. Teacher Tool is a classroom presentation tool suitable for use with multimedia equipment. Teachers can project student book and workbook pages and play audio and video files. It includes interactive activities with every lesson to use in class. If you download each unit, you will see the teacher presentation tool, lesson plan, worksheet, and audio files. Grammar Q Plus Second Edition users may also download a syllabus for each level. Extra midterm and final test sheets are also available as free resources. Grammar Q Plus Second Edition brings you helpful ways to teach grammar to your students. You can also have teacher-friendly teaching materials for free. Why don't you use them in your class?